Welcome to HEXA LUX Part 1, where innovation meets precision. Let's explore the cutting-edge technology that redefines biofeedback, non-invasive full-body scans and therapies. Discover the essential components of HEXA LUX, including the aluminum case for portability, the energy disc for remote treatment, and specialized headphones for different needs. Each element is designed to enhance your biofeedback experience. Before diving into Energetika biofeedback, it's crucial to understand the importance of training and accurate analysis. Our team is here to support you every step of the way. To ensure the most accurate results, follow these key elements. Maintain an empty stomach, avoid electronics, and ensure a calm environment during scans. These steps are vital for optimal performance. Welcome to the Bioresonance software. Begin by opening the Energetika icon on your desktop and clicking Start to embark on your journey of discovery and healing. The Customize page allows you to tailor the software to your needs. Adjust settings to optimize your biofeedback sessions and achieve the best results. Modify the speed of scans and manage sound settings to suit your preferences. These adjustments ensure a personalized and efficient scanning experience. The Card Index page is your gateway to customization. Here, you can manage and organize your scans, ensuring a streamlined workflow. Learn how to organize scans by date and section. This feature enhances your ability to track and analyze data effectively, providing deeper insights. Explore recommended customizations for optimal performance. Adjust settings for pictures, names, and energy levels to enhance your biofeedback analysis. Discover the various functions available on the Card Index page, including patient information management and search capabilities for efficient navigation. Learn how to create, select, and remove patient cards. This functionality is crucial for maintaining organized records and conducting thorough analyses. Energy levels are key indicators of health. Learn to interpret these levels and understand their impact on overall well-being. Explore how diet, stress, and environment influence energy levels. Understanding these factors is essential for maintaining balance and health. Colors and OD values provide insights into organ health. Learn to interpret these indicators for a comprehensive understanding of your biofeedback results. Embark on your journey with a quick guide to scanning, creating reports, and running therapies. This foundational knowledge is essential for new users. Full body scans are vital for identifying root causes and planning therapies. Regular scans ensure comprehensive health monitoring and effective treatment. Manage your data efficiently by learning how to delete unwanted files. This keeps your system organized and running smoothly. Easily remove cards from the index to maintain an organized database. This function is essential for efficient data management. Begin your full body scan by creating a new card. This step is crucial for accurate data collection and effective analysis. Start by filling in the required information: last name, first name, date of birth, and gender. The system will automatically adjust the date format based on your location. Once completed, click OK to proceed to the ANEMNESS page, where you'll focus on scanning first. After clicking Proceed, you'll be taken to the Research page. Here, you can explore various interactive anatomical features and begin your research journey. Energetika offers 3 scan options: Express, Normal, and Detailed, each with a different number of available items to scan. Select the research type to see the number of items available for scanning. For full body scans, make sure the Psi option is selected. This ensures you have access to over 900 items. Verify the correct choice by checking the total number available. Use the SHOWPICTURES checkbox to display available organs and tissues for scanning. This feature helps you visualize what can be scanned. With the male or female option selected, ensure the headset is connected. Click Scan to begin scanning all major organs and tissues, and follow instructions for the automatic report. Choose the Ultrascan option to examine the microstructure and DNA of organs. This advanced scan provides detailed insights into the organ's composition. Here, you can see detailed scans of various organs, providing a closer look at their structure and function. These images showcase cellular structures, offering a deeper understanding of the intricate details within the body. The scans reveal molecular and genetic details, highlighting the complexity and precision of the body's inner workings. Once a full body scan is complete, focus on system scans to prioritize therapies. Scanning the system calendar day is crucial before administering therapies. On the research page, confirm the PSI research type is selected to access all available items. This ensures comprehensive scanning capabilities. To reset the list and regain full scan availability, click Manual Choice and System again. This allows you to select all items for a thorough scan. Each system has a varying number of items to scan. Ensure each is scanned before proceeding with therapy to maximize effectiveness. Therapies should follow scans for optimal health improvements. System therapies are most effective when done daily or as needed, with meta-correction options available. Energetika excels in addressing pain and symptoms. For issues like depression or joint pain, scan the relevant organs and items to provide targeted relief. 5x5 therapies involve scanning and giving therapies 5 times on each organ. This method is effective for skin, mental, and joint health issues, providing intense relief. Destructive therapy uses Dr. Rife frequencies to target harmful microorganisms. This therapy is crucial for addressing bacteria, viruses, and fungi in the body. The advanced page report identifies where microorganisms are found, guiding you to scan and treat these areas effectively. Monitor coefficients for therapy progress. When a microorganism is identified, scan the organ containing it before therapy. Ensure all areas are treated to prevent recurrence and maintain health. To begin, ensure the organ is scanned on the designated day. Locate the correct organ, highlight it, and click on its image to proceed. Next, click on the graph image to advance. On the analysis page, check the microorganisms etalon, including H. pylori and lactobacillus, allowing scanning from one page. Before therapy, scan the microorganisms. Highlight each microbe by clicking and dragging, then click on their image to move to the research page. Here, you can see the microbes ready for scanning. Click on Research to proceed. Once scanning is complete, both microbes will be marked. You can now administer therapy using the Energetika software. Therapies are categorized as protective, marked with a P, and destructive, marked with a D, for organs and microorganisms. As you run daily therapies, delete unnecessary meta-therapies to keep your list organized and track progress efficiently. To manage therapies, click on Active to organize and select the ones to delete, keeping your list streamlined. Highlight all therapies by scrolling and using the Shift key, ensuring only therapies are selected for deletion. With meta-therapies highlighted, click Delete and confirm. Use the drop-down menu to keep original scans intact. Deleting daily scans helps maintain a clean list. Keep scans from 1 or 2 days a week to track progress effectively. Use the secret menu to select and delete specific dates, ensuring your list remains organized and up to date. After consistent therapy, compare results to track improvement. Focus on OD values to assess progress effectively. Type the organ name in the search box, then organize scans by date to monitor OD changes over time. Track OD changes weekly to assess therapy impact. Look for trends and adjust therapy as needed for optimal results. Explore Energetika's features, including scan, report building, and therapy options, to maximize the software's potential. The View Results page provides a comprehensive overview of scans and therapy outcomes, aiding in effective analysis. Learn to navigate Energetika's features, including energy readings and OD values, for efficient therapy management. The Comparative Analysis page allows for detailed comparisons of scans and results, enhancing your analysis capabilities. The Comparative Analysis page allows you to compare results from various tests, such as the reaction of a one-time therapy on H. pylori. When comparing scans for destructive therapies, look for a weakening reaction to ensure the microorganism is being destroyed. Always check the original scan for accuracy. Highlight the last therapy to compare results accurately. Use the S checkmark for day scans and results of other tests. Always check the original scan and highlight the newest scan to see improvements over time. The checked item is on the left, and the item being compared is on the right. For accurate results, allow 4-6 weeks of therapy before comparing. Use the secret menu for additional features by pressing Ctrl and F. Use the improvement and worsening options to see changes in organs or tests. Click to see where energy was improved or not. Exit to return to the card index page, and use Auto Research for quick comparisons. The interactive anamnesis page is accessed when creating a new file card. You can also access it from the research page. This page helps organize patient complaints and previous diagnoses. Input patient complaints and organize scanning lists automatically. Click on red dots to mark problem areas and check the most relevant complaints. This ensures comprehensive information for users. Explore other buttons for additional information. Use the research page to scan returning patients. Select the card and choose the patient card for scanning. Ensure you have one card per person. Use the same card for each visit. Run scans on the research page for therapies and remedies. All scans are done here. The research page offers manual choice and automatic therapy options. Select pre-programmed scans or organize your own. This page is crucial for therapy management. Activate 4D torsion scans and 3D images as needed. Use the research type to scan organs. The index and interactive anamnesis pages are accessible for detailed analysis. The anamnesis and diagnosis page lists complaints and diagnoses. Use the search box for quick findings. The list is organized by system order for detailed analysis. On the research page, create customized scanning lists. Use manual choice and set up options for customization. Follow instructions for renaming and creating scans. Select and rename options for custom scans. Add items by marking them selected. The number of items added is shown. This helps in creating focused scans. Drag and add items to your list for pre-programmed scans. Use manual choice to see the total number of items. Remember, system scans are already available. Explore other manual choice options for quick scans. Use automatic choice, deselect, and system options for efficient scanning. Manual analysis involves creating reports by hand for each organ. It's useful for complex health concerns or when learning the software. This method ensures thorough investigation. Organize OD values from lowest to highest for analysis. Begin with the organ with the lowest OD value. Click on the organ name and photo to move to the analysis page. Move past the localize page to reach the analysis page. Click on the graph to proceed with the analysis. This step is crucial for detailed examination. On the analysis page, follow the steps for organ analysis. This page provides detailed insights and is essential for thorough examination. We begin our analysis by focusing on microorganisms and helminths, crucial for understanding health imbalances. These can be caused by parasites, bacteria, viruses, and more, affecting overall health. Once you've selected the microorganisms and helminths eidolon, a detailed list will appear, guiding you through the analysis process. Clicking Adjust All refines the list to show only the most relevant microorganisms, enhancing accuracy in your analysis. The Adjust All feature ensures a comprehensive adjustment of all coefficients, providing a clearer perspective than individual adjustments. After adjusting, proceed to the Vegeto test internal to determine the impact of microorganisms on organ health. Focus on coefficients below 1.200, especially those under 0.500, as they indicate priority in the analysis. The V-test internal scan is quick and provides a visual representation of the analysis results. The Vegeto test helps confirm whether a microorganism is affecting the organ negatively or positively, guiding further analysis. After the Vegeto test, proceed to the comparative analysis to evaluate the reactions and findings. The comparative analysis page compares original and test scans, highlighting any significant reactions for further investigation.